welcome back you all to my channel Colorful Life of Diksha. In this video, we are going to unbox K8 wireless mic. So let's unbox this. It is K8 wireless mic. We can use this for live show, interview and vlog short videos. Like this is the unboxing. This is the function of this, and these two types of receiver or the pins are given. So let's unbox. This is the C-type receiver which you can connect with the phone, and this is the main product, that is our mic. This is the mic. It look like this. It is the switch button from where you can start on and off. Here you have to attach with your cloth or whatever. This is for iPhone, and this is the charger of the mic. So like this it looks. This is the charger. It came with it only, and it is the manual. Okay, and if your phone connects with the V-type, then you have to buy. It is not given with this. You have to just do it like this so that it can be connected. Now let me tell you how to connect your mic with your phone. You have to plug in the receiver in the charging port, and you have to switch on from here. You have to keep over here for some while, and from here it will be on. See, the light turns on. It means that now it is on and it is ready for use. So now you can use this. This was the product. I hope you all liked the video. If you liked it, do tell in the comments. Like, share and subscribe. Radhe Radhe.